Hello, my name's Helen Butcher and I'm a quilter who loves three-dimensional illusions, and I brought two of them along with you to show you today. These have been made in oak shot fabrics. I find oak shot fabrics are lovely to work with. They're very dense colours, very intense. And the secret to any three-dimensional illusion is your choice of fabric. It's the choice of the colours. I find I don't like wasting fabrics, especially oak shot fabric because it's so lovely. So I can put a triangle ruler on there and it will run down to the corner without too much wastage. So I'm going to set my triangle ruler onto my strips, like that, and I'm going to cut myself some triangles. And as you can see, you build them up in columns and you stitch them together, and then you only have straight seams to go in between the columns.